Have you ever wondered why so many old Japanese cars still run smoothly even after 200,000, 300,000, or sometimes 400,000 miles? While many modern engines begin to feel weak, rough, noisy, and expensive to maintain as they age, Japanese engines often continue to feel smooth and reliable for decades. The secret is not magic, and it is not because every Japanese engine is indestructible. The real secret is that Japanese drivers and mechanics follow very specific habits that keep the engine clean, protected, and efficient long before serious problems appear. Today, we are going to uncover 9 Japanese methods that can make your engine run like new again. These are the same habits that help many Japanese vehicles last far beyond 300,000 miles while still feeling refined, powerful, and fuel efficient. Let's start with one of the most common methods. Method 1. Change the engine oil before it looks dirty. One of the biggest Japanese secrets is changing engine oil before it becomes a problem. Many drivers wait too long because they believe modern oil can last forever. But once oil starts breaking down, it loses its ability to lubricate, cool, and clean the engine properly. When oil becomes dirty, it turns thick with sludge, metal particles, carbon deposits, and fuel contamination. This creates extra friction inside the engine, which makes it feel rougher, louder, and weaker over time. Studies have shown that poor oil maintenance is one of the leading causes of premature engine wear. According to automotive experts, around 70% of engine wear happens during cold starts and poor lubrication periods. Many Japanese car owners replace their oil thousands of miles earlier than the maximum recommended interval because they know fresh oil keeps internal engine parts cleaner. Clean oil also helps piston rings seal better, reduces engine noise, improves fuel economy, and even restores some lost power. In many cases, drivers notice smoother acceleration and quieter operation immediately after changing old oil. Method 2. Use of PEA chemical rejuvenation. The first pillar of engine restoration is the chemical removal of carbonized deposits. In a high-mileage engine, carbon buildup on the intake valves and piston crowns can reduce volumetric efficiency by as much as 12%. The Japanese solution focuses on polyethyramine, that is, a nitrogen-based detergent that remains stable at combustion temperatures exceeding 400 degrees Celsius. Unlike lower-grade solvents that evaporate before reaching the combustion chamber, PEA undergoes a molecular-level reaction with the carbon matrix, breaking the adhesive bonds that hold hard carbon to the metal surface. This process is critical because even a 1 millimeter layer of carbon on a piston crown can increase the compression ratio unevenly, leading to knock or pre-ignition that forces the ECU to retard timing. To perform this method, wait until your fuel tank is almost empty. Then buy a high-concentration PEA cleaner and pour the entire bottle into the fuel tank before filling up with fuel. This helps the cleaner mix properly with the gasoline. After that, drive the car normally for at least a few days, so the cleaner has time to pass through the injectors and dissolve deposits. Statistical data from Japanese testing facilities shows that a single professional-grade treatment can recover up to 15% of lost fuel atomization, effectively resetting the combustion cycle to near zero-hour specifications. Method 3. Tribological restoration. Friction is the silent killer of efficiency, accounting for nearly 20% of total energy loss within an internal combustion engine. To combat this, Japanese master mechanics utilize soluble molybdenum disulfide (MOS2) treatments. This is not a simple lubricant. It is a tribological surface modifier that creates a microscopic sacrificial layer on cylinder walls and bearing surfaces. At the atomic level, molybdenum molecules fill the microscopic asperities in the metal, reducing the coefficient of friction by a staggering 30 to 50%. This layer acts as a fail-safe during cold starts, where 75% of all engine wear occurs due to the lack of oil pressure. By integrating this into the lubrication system, the engine experiences a significant reduction in parasitic drag, allowing the rotating assembly to spin more freely. The thermal stability of moly is remarkable, maintaining its integrity up to 1,100 degrees Celsius, which ensures that even under high-load conditions, the metal surfaces never truly touch. This method doesn't just quiet an engine, it measurably reduces heat generation, extending the life of gaskets and seals by up to 40% compared to engines running standard synthetic oils alone. Method 4. Replace the air filter before it gets too dirty. Your engine cannot make power without clean air. A dirty air filter blocks airflow and forces the engine to work harder. Japanese mechanics often inspect the air filter at every oil change because they know how important it is. A clogged air filter can reduce acceleration, increase fuel consumption, and make the engine feel suffocated. According to automotive experts, if the filter is too dirty, the engine may pull more fuel to compensate for the lack of oxygen, which hurts fuel economy and performance. This is especially important if you drive in dusty roads, construction areas, or places with lots of sand and pollution. In these conditions, the filter becomes dirty much faster. To clean your air filter, open the hood and locate the air filter box, which is usually a black plastic box near the engine. Open the clips or screws holding the cover in place and remove the old air filter. Hold it up to the light. If you cannot see much light passing through it, it is probably too dirty and should be replaced. Insert the new filter in the same direction as the old one and close the air box securely. This simple job often takes less than 10 minutes and can make the engine feel much more responsive. Method 5. Precision sensor calibration. A Japanese engine is only as efficient as its data, and the MAF sensor is the primary source of that data. Over time, microscopic particles of dust and oil vapor coat the sensor's thermistor, creating an insulation effect that results in delayed or inaccurate air mass readings. When a MAF sensor is dirty, the ECU may miscalculate the air-fuel ratio by as much as 10%, leading to a rich running condition that accelerates carbon buildup. The Japanese restoration method involves a precise cleaning of the MAF sensor. To clean it, carefully unplug the electrical connector and remove the sensor. Spray it gently with a dedicated MAF cleaner. Never touch the sensor wires with your fingers or a cloth because they are extremely delicate. By ensuring the ECU of your car receives perfect data, the ignition timing and fuel trim can operate at peak efficiency, resulting in an immediate and measurable increase in throttle response and a decrease in idle state fuel consumption. Method 6. Remove carbon buildup. Carbon buildup is one of the biggest hidden reasons engines feel old. Over time, carbon collects on intake valves, pistons, injectors, throttle bodies, and combustion chambers. This buildup reduces airflow, interferes with combustion, and causes the engine to feel weaker and rougher. In direct injection engines, carbon buildup can become especially severe because fuel no longer washes over the intake valves. Some studies have found that certain engines can lose up to 10% of their power because of heavy carbon deposits. Japanese mechanics often recommend occasional intake cleaning and throttle body cleaning because these services can restore lost airflow and improve combustion. Many drivers are shocked by how much smoother the engine feels afterward. To perform this method, start by cleaning the throttle body. Remove the air intake hose and spray throttle body cleaner onto a clean cloth. Wipe away the black carbon deposits around the throttle plate. Clean until the surface looks shiny and free of deposits. Reassemble everything, reconnect the battery, and start the engine. It may idle slightly rough for a few seconds, but then it will stabilize. This simple cleaning can dramatically improve idle smoothness and throttle response. Method 7. Switch to high-quality fuel. In Japan, drivers often avoid the absolute cheapest fuel because poor quality gasoline can leave deposits inside the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Over time, these deposits reduce engine performance, increase knocking, and make the engine feel rough. Low-quality fuel may also contain more contaminants, water, or lower detergent levels, which can accelerate carbon buildup. According to fuel system studies, carbon deposits on intake valves and combustion chambers can reduce engine efficiency by up to 20% in some cases. This is why many premium fuel brands add cleaning detergents that help remove deposits while you drive. Japanese mechanics often recommend using fuel from trusted stations because consistent fuel quality matters more than people think. This does not always mean you need premium fuel. If your car is designed for regular fuel, use regular fuel. But using gasoline from reliable stations with proper detergent packages can make a major difference over time. Method 8. Keep tire pressure correct. This might sound unrelated to engine performance, but in reality, tire pressure plays a huge role in how your engine feels. Underinflated tires create extra rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder just to move the car. This extra load makes the engine feel sluggish, reduces acceleration, and increases fuel consumption. According to fuel economy studies, even a small drop in tire pressure can reduce efficiency by around 0.2% per psi, and severely underinflated tires can reduce fuel economy by 3 to 5%. Japanese drivers are extremely consistent when it comes to maintaining correct tire pressure because they understand that a properly rolling vehicle puts less strain on the engine and drivetrain. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold. Compare the readings with the recommended PSI listed on the sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. If the pressure is low, use an air compressor to fill the tires to the correct level. Repeat this check every 2 to 3 weeks because tires naturally lose pressure over time. This small habit can make your car feel more responsive and reduce unnecessary stress on the engine. Method 9. Upgrade to super long-life coolant. The final step in the resurrection process is the management of the engine's thermal envelope. 40% of all catastrophic engine failures are rooted in cooling system degradation. Japanese manufacturers utilize super long-life coolant, that is a specialized phosphate-based organic acid technology that is specifically formulated for aluminum radiators and engine blocks. Unlike universal coolants that can cause silicate dropout, Japanese SLLC provides a permanent protective film that prevents cavitation and pitting. Cavitation occurs when tiny vacuum bubbles collapse against the metal with enough force to punch holes in the water pump impeller. By performing a complete system flush and restoring the pH balance to a perfect 8.0, we ensure that the engine operates at its designed steady-state temperature. This prevents the microscopic thermal expansion and contraction of the cylinder head that eventually leads to head gasket failure. Data suggests that maintaining this thermal homeostasis can extend the internal component life of an engine by over 100,000 miles beyond the industry average. The bottom line is, the reason Japanese engines last so long is not because they are magical. It is because Japanese owners take care of small problems before they become expensive disasters. If you start using these Japanese methods today, your engine can become smoother, quieter, more responsive, and more fuel efficient without spending a fortune. See you in the next video.